Hello, good morning friends. I am SHALIK KATHANE, working as a subject assistant at GONDIA. In this video, we will learn about sound. Look at this picture. Have you heard this sound? Yes, we heard this sound. Next video. Have you heard this sound? Yes, this sound also we heard. Another picture. Have you heard this sound? Yes. Have you heard this sound? Yes. Have you heard this sound? Have you heard such type of sound? Yes. Have you heard this type of sound? Have you heard this type of sound? Look at the all pictures and we say that we heard all type of sound in our everyday life. These are the examples of various sound. Some sounds are loud and are heard easily, while some other are very soft and cannot be heard unless we listen attentively. We like some sounds. On the other hand, we get annoyed by some other sounds. How are sound produced? Look at this picture. When a song is being played on a radio or a music system in the house, place your hand on its speaker. What do you feel? Put off the music. What do you feel now? Do this activity at home. Next, second activity. Take a rubber band and stretch it as shown in the figure. Plug the stretched band. Apart from the movement of the rubber band, what else did you notice? Do this activity at home. Spread some sawdust or mustard seeds or sand on the diaphragm of a tabla. Knock on the diaphragm lightly with a finger. What do you see happening so long as the tabla makes a sound? What happens when the sound stops? What do you understand from these observations? If this activity is possible, then you can do at home. From all these activities, we conclude that the vibration of an object is necessary for the production of sound. As long as the object vibrates, the sound is heard. When the vibration stops, the sound also stops. The object due to which sound is produced is called the source of that sound. Thank you friends for watching this video.